Try to translate into Spanish.
In the morning.
Por la mañana.
To wake up, wakes up.
Despertarse, se despierta.
At 7.
A las 7.
To have breakfast, has breakfast.
Desayunar, desayuna.
At 7:30.
A las 7:30.
Alone.
Solo.
His, her.
Su.
Sister.
Hermana.
Not.
No.
With him.
Con él.
Because.
¿Por qué?
To leave, leaves.
Salir, sale.
Early.
Temprano.
After.
Después de.
The breakfast.
El desayuno.
To go, goes.
Ir, va.
To work.
Al trabajo.
In the evening.
Por la noche.
To have dinner, have dinner.
Cenar, cenan.
Together.
Juntos.
In the morning.
Por la mañana.
Juan wakes up.
Juan se despierta.
At 7.
A las 7.
In the morning, Juan wakes up at 7.
Por la mañana Juan se despierta a las 7.
He has breakfast.
Él desayuna.
At 7:30.
A las 7:30.
He has breakfast at 7:30.
Él desayuna a las 7:30.
His sister.
Su hermana.
Does not have breakfast.
No desayuna.
With him.
Con él.
Because.
¿Por qué?
She leaves early.
Sale temprano.
His sister doesn't have breakfast with him because she leaves early.
Su hermana no desayuna con él, porque sale temprano.
After breakfast.
Después del desayuno.
Juan goes.
Juan va.
To work.
Al trabajo.
After breakfast, Juan goes to work.
Después del desayuno, Juan va al trabajo.
At night.
Por la noche.
Juan and his sister.
Juan y su hermana.
Have dinner together.
Cenan juntos.
In the evening, Juan and his sister have dinner together.
Por la noche, Juan y su hermana cenan juntos.
At what time?
¿A qué hora?
Does Juan wake up?
Se despierta Juan.
In the morning.
¿Por la mañana?
What time does Juan wake up in the morning?
¿A qué hora se despierta Juan por la mañana?
Juan wakes up at 7.
Juan se despierta a las 7.
Does Juan have breakfast alone?
¿Desayuna Juan solo?
Yes, he has breakfast alone.
Sí, desayuna solo.
Does Juan's sister have breakfast?
Desayuna la hermana de Juan.
With him.
Con él.
Does Juan's sister have breakfast with him?
¿Desayuna la hermana de Juan con él?
No, she doesn't have breakfast with him.
No, no desayuna con él.
Why doesn't have breakfast?
¿Por qué no desayuna?
Juan's sister with him.
¿La hermana de Juan con él?
Why doesn't Juan's sister have breakfast with him?
¿Por qué no desayuna la hermana de Juan con él?
Because she leaves early.
Porque sale temprano.
Where does Juan go?
¿A dónde va Juan?
After breakfast.
¿Después del desayuno?
Where does Juan go after breakfast?
¿A dónde va Juan después del desayuno?
Juan goes to work.
Juan va al trabajo.
Do Juan and his sister have dinner together?
Cenan Juan y su hermana juntos.
In the evening?
Por la noche.
Do Juan and his sister have dinner together in the evening?
¿Cenan Juan y su hermana juntos por la noche?
Yes, they have dinner together.
Sí, cenan juntos.